I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Yeah,
And what about you?
I'm also fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking. My name is
Okay.
Aziza.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, uh, my name is Aziza Parveen. I am 20 years old. And now I am completing my graduation. And my hobby is reading books and playing badminton. And now learning this language.
Okay, that's nice. So, and
And tell me about yourself.
yeah, I introduce myself. My name is Kalpana, and I am postgraduate. I have a kid, and I am a homemaker. And I run a YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel name is English with Kalpana. So that's all about me. So what would you
How
like?
many
Yeah,
how how many members in your family?
there are 15 members in my family, but my in-laws live in a village and I live in a city.
Okay. Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have one kid. Yeah,
A boy or girl?
boy. Yeah. And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Uh, I have four siblings, three
Okay.
brothers and three sisters.
Okay. So, what would you like it to do in your free time?
When I get free time, that time I learning this language and read book.
Okay. So, and what is your father?
Ma'am, my father is no more.
So, sorry
Yeah.
for your loss.
Yes.
Yeah.
There are three members in my family,
Yeah.
and my mother and my brother and me. My brother doing job and I studying.
Okay. So, what is happening with your father?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I felt alone, uh,
Yeah.
and I can manage.
Okay. Yes. Mm, may God bless you and comfort you during this difficult time in your life.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
After 3 years ago, my father was suffering diabetes. That
Yeah.
time, my father was died.
Yes. Sorry for your loss. And so don't feel alone. Yeah. I think you are a brave girl. And so don't feel alone and have faith in God. Yeah. So uh, you can ask.
Mm, how many days you are learning this language?
I have been learning this language for 3 months. Yeah,
And now I am learning this language 2 months.
2 months.
Now,
Okay.
yes,
Yeah. So that's and why do you want to learn this language?
because it's a very useful language, and this language can uh, can communicate to other state person easily.
Yes, it
Yes.
has to communicate to other peoples, and so it's necessary. So, and what makes you angry?
Um, uh, when I get never my favorite thing, that time I felt angry.
Okay. And what makes you happy?
Yeah. When my family members bring for new things for me, that time I felt happy.
Okay. So that's, and what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is South Indian tiffin. As example, dosa, idli. That's all. And
Okay.
what is your favorite food, ma'am?
Curry and rice. Yeah. So you can ask.
Um, what does your husband do?
He has a shop. Yeah, hardware shop. Yeah.
How old he? Your boy?
He is
Uh,
10 years old.
ten,
My son is 10 years old.
10 years.
Yeah. And you are the eldest
Yeah,
in
ma'am. I'm elder.
UK. And do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, ma'am. I have a YouTube channel, but there is no video upload.
Okay. So
Yes,
you want
the first.
to do, you want to do something, you want to upload anything
Yes, ma'am.
like English related video, English related conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Nowadays, I'm trying to making any videos to speak related video. Work now doing.
Yeah. So, do you have a conversation with anyone?
No, ma'am. Yeah, you are first.
Okay. This is your first conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what do you feel?
Yeah, ma'am. I am feeling so nervous.
But I think you are not feeling nervous and you feel confident. Yeah.
Mhm. But this is the first time,
Yeah.
and now I am feeling
Don't feel
more.
nervous. Don't feel hesitate. Yeah. And you are doing good. Yeah. And so, uh, what is your mother?
Yeah, ma'am, my mother is a housewife.
Okay.
Yeah, she is doing her house chore, her house chore.
Okay. So you can. Mm, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Uh, my favorite color is also yellow.
Great.
Yeah. So, why do
We are
we?
same.
Yes, yes. And why do we need a conversation with someone? You can.
Because I want to know what uh, I want to know that I
Yes.
can't say.
No. It's okay. Uh, this is the right. This is a very nice way to know about yourself. When we
Yes,
talk with someone, then we come to know more new things. We get more new things, and we come to know about yourself. We are able or not to understand and to reply. So this is the important. This is the necessary to have a conversation with someone. Yeah. So, and what is your goal in your
uh,
future?
I want to be a teacher, English teacher.
Okay, that's nice. So you are trying to speak in English, and
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
yeah. So how many languages can you speak?
I can speak four languages: Hindi,
Okay,
and Odia, and now I'm just learning this language, English.
English. Okay, that's nice. So I so what you feel at this time? You are
Uh,
happy. You are confident. You feel
I'm
confident.
feeling yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I am feeling happy this
yeah,
time because I am talking with you.
yes. I'm also feel good
Yeah,
talking to
and it's a very big opportunity for me.
you. No, it's my pleasure. I'm talking to you, and so nice conversation with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and I hope we will meet again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and you can do anything. You are a brave girl. So, and don't give up. Don't lose courage. Have faith in God, and you should have faith. You should have a courage. Okay.
Yes,
So, bye, bye, and nice talk to you.
yes.
Yeah,
Goodbye.
bye.